Hey, this is Zach here at Uptown Barbers, where we use Layrite products every day on our clients. And today I'm going to show you how I use our cement clay to achieve a certain style. This is Layrite Cement Clay. My client Michael here has really straight hair and it's more on the coarse side. This product's gonna be really good to give him that all day hold. With the cement clay, I used about a dime size worth. His hair was bone dry, meaning that there was no moisture in it, and this is gonna give us the full effect of what this cement clay can do. I applied it dry, liberally, and I used my hands to finish the style. For this style, I just used my fingers. I want it to be real natural looking, real messy, everyday wear. One great thing about this product is that when it's warmed and applied lightly, it controls frizz and it'll give great definition and separation. Hey guys, thanks for sticking around. This is how I achieved this style using our cement clay. If you want to check it out for yourself, head on over to layrite.com and pick you one up.